Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe, it's your favorite babe, Queen and Nikki. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. We hit 4,000 watch hours. As in guys, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thanks for being there for me. I really appreciate you all. May the good Lord be with every one of you. Thank you so much. So guys, this tutorial I just want to show you guys how you can, as in alternative way of doing your ponytail, as in the wrapped one, not you sewing it. So guys, after when you're done with your gel aspect, then you go ahead and you braid the tip, as you can see. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, please guys. So my old subscribers, I really appreciate you, and my new subscribers, thanks for stopping by. So guys, this is the point we're going to. This is the aspect I want to show you guys. So it's actually a wrapping ponytail, as in the sewing is quite different, as you can see what I'm doing. So you place your weave on at the tip of the braided one, you just begin to sew it. Then when you sew it to a length, to a stage, you begin to wrap it, then you continue again and to sew. But the first thing, you have to sew it first, just to hold it firm and to, in case you are wrapping it, it will not pull out. Can you see what I'm doing here? So make sure you tack it very well. So when you finish with the tacking, you go ahead and you wrap it. You wrap it. When you wrap it halfway again, you continue and you sew. And here right now, guys, can you see what I'm doing? I'm wrapping it. You wrap it. So when you get to a certain place, you tie it, you tack it as well. Can you see? Now I'm tacking it and then sewing it. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So this method is actually good in case you have the weave on, or your clients brought weave on that is very short and you want it to, you want it to look longer a little bit. So when you apply this method, you find it so lovely and the weave on will become longer. Are you getting me, guys? So that is how you continue with this lovely hairstyle. So in case you want to join, just pay attention and watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end, so that you not mix any step of doing this lovely hairstyle. Actually, I'm not showing you how to do the ponytail, but it's just the alternative way I'm showing you. So after when you're done with the tacking, guys, so you just use a small thread, just to use it to smoothen the gel you've done so far. Can you see? Then use it to pack it, just to make the down to be firm. Can you see what I'm doing? So use your hand to rub the remaining gel. So guys, and when you are tying it, don't make it too tight. So now this aspect is just to show you how to wrap it to make your work neater. So you just take small from the wave on, then you comb it just to make it smooth. Then you apply your got2b glue spray. Got2b spray. Sorry guys. And in case you don't have this got2b spray, you can use your spray gel to achieve this as well. So when you apply your got2b spray, you comb it very well just to make it look smooth and fluffy. Then you begin to wrap it. When you wrap it, before you wrap it the second time, you brush it out again, or you use your take comb just to comb it, just to make everything look neat. So you continue with your wrapping, as you can see the way I'm wrapping it here. When you wrap it, you brush it out, or you use your take comb just to make sure it's neat before you proceed on your wrapping. So guys, that is how you keep going. Please let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful, and if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please just let me know in the comment section, guys. So your comment is more important is still part of the growth of the channel. So guys, so when you're done, the last tip, you roll it very well. Can you see? And when you are done with the rolling, you now take another thread again just to secure the little one again, so that it will not pull out. You use the thread just to secure it, as you can see what I'm doing here. So you wrap it very well. So after that, you go ahead and you tie it. And guys, that's all about showing you alternative way of doing your ponytail as the fixing aspect. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. Can you see how the hair is looking? The ponytail is looking so beautiful. Can you see? Yeah, that is how you fix the ponytail, as in low ponytail, low buns ponytail. Can you see? As in the wrapping method. And this is the final look of it. So guys, let me know in the comment section if the video is helpful. So guys, can you see the tip? The tip of the ponytail is very, very long. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate every one of you here. So can you see my client? She's in love with the hair. See how she's rocking it. She's very happy. So see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.